Hello and welcome to another CarFix video from CarFix, where I do what I love and I love what I do. Today's video is going to be about repairing and plugging a hole in a tire caused by a road debris, and my case right here is a screw. The first thing you need to do is inflate your tire, and also you need to locate the location of the hole, or the location of the object. In my case right here, it's right there. All you need to do is just inflate the tire and spray some soapy water on it, and you can see, and it's leaking right there. So that's where the tire is leaking air from. Now the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dry this area and mark the location of the screw. This way, when I pull the screw out, I don't lose the location of it, because once you pull it out, you can't tell, because the hole actually might collapse on itself, and it might not leak again under low pressure, that is. All right, now I got the location of the nail or the screw marked right there. So next thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pull the screw out. There we go. You can see it's a huge screw. See, now my mark tells me where the hole I'm supposed to fix right there. Yeah, the plug kit right here you can buy from any parts store or any gas station. It comes with the necessary tools to get the job done. Now the first tool I'm going to use is the reamer, or the enlarger right here. This tool actually enlarges the actual hole right here, and make it rough a little bit, so it will accommodate the plug itself. So all you got to do is just put it in the hole right there. Now after I got the reamer in the hole, and it wasn't that easy, because this is a all-terrain tire, 35-inch tire, and it wasn't that easy to actually put the reamer in there, but I got it in there. Now before I pull the reamer out, I get my plug ready with the tool, and also I'm gonna have to apply some rubber cement on this. This kit comes with a small bottle or a small tube. I'm going to apply it on the plug itself and on the hole right there. Now after I got the plug started right there, I got the rubber cement on it, and all I have to do is just push it down and pull the plug about 2/3 of the way into the tire, and pull the tool out and cut the excess on the outside, the excess of the plug right there. Alright, now after I got the plug in and I removed the excess plug, what's left of it, now I'm going to inflate the tire and recheck it for leak. Alright, now I got the tire inflated to the proper pressure. I'm just going to recheck for leak, make sure nothing is leaking, and it looks alright, no leaks. So we're okay. Alright guys, this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, any comments, please leave them in the comment section. And also activate the notification bell, so every time I upload a new video, you'll be notified from now until the next CarFix video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you then.